Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can see your watched videos on TikTok. So watched video is known as watch history. So TikTok just rolled out the new feature which is called watch history. And to see that feature, make sure your TikTok is up to date, because if your TikTok is not on the latest version, the step which I'm gonna be showing you is not gonna make sense. So you can just go to your Play Store and App Store to check if there's any update on the TikTok or not. If there is, make sure to update your TikTok. And after updating your TikTok, watch the video, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can see the watched video. And remember, the watched video refreshes every single month. So if you're trying to see the video which you watched like a month ago, you can't. Every single month it resets, which means you only have like a 30 days time period to see what videos you have watched. All right, now let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to go on profile at the bottom of your screen, and at the top there's going to be 3 lines. Click on it and go on where it says setting and privacy. Over here, scroll a bit down and you can see where it says watch history. So mine's right below dark mode, so yours should be over there as well. Click on watch history, and every single video which you just watched is going to be over here. In the previous past, you could only see your liked videos, but now you can see your watch history over here. This is like the best feature which TikTok has released so far, which I like. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can see your watch history on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Want to step? I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye.